Good morning, Maui. Looking at our surface analysis, we have this high pressure that built yesterday, gave us those slight northeasterly winds we had. That's going to move off to the east, getting pushed by this low, making this wind even more east to almost southeast and disappearing. When we take a look at our wind maps, you'll see again we have this nice strong easterly high pressure. Doesn't look like it's going anywhere, but when we click into the future, you can see that it quickly turns southeast tomorrow and rather gone by the next day. So hopefully we do get some L flying in tomorrow and the next day. It's possible today, but not quite as likely. Looking on the crater, we have a southeast wind at 6 miles an hour, pretty nice. Going to our Big Island soundings, you'll see we do follow a diabatic line up to easily the 6,000 feet. We do have this one chaka right here for cloud development, and the second one. Big Island sounding, you would think Poli Poli would be good, but we jump over to Kauai and we see a strong inversion around 4,000 feet. So that indicates to me that we possibly might not want to do it just because, cloud base could be low again, and it keeps being pretty low. Pretty hard to say for Poli Poli, but if winds are light enough, this would be great for the L since it is at 4,000 feet. Taking a look at our humidity radar, you'll see that some lower clouds from the south, these icing clouds, has pushed up onto the islands. Probably going to give us overcast, cloudy skies today. Getting more detailed look, you'll see this pretty big system moving over us. Again, it's coming from the south, so typically that means it's an icing overhead cloud, not a low rainy clouds. And finally, our Doppler showing us our true moisture in the air with squalls, and it's just east wind with very light squalls, not a lot of rain to speak of, but again, we will have those upper level clouds. One more satellite image of those upper level clouds that are going to be blocking our sun today. Looks pretty widespread. And of course, the big blue showing the exact same thing. Jumping to our wind guru report, is showing today to be our last day of winds for the week. East to southeast slowly dying. Great sea cliffs weather probably today, minus a little southeast. L could be good, minus all that cloud coverage, blocking the sun for thermal development. And hopefully those clouds can dissipate by tomorrow, so we can get a nice L flight on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, the trend is to start turning north, so it might not be great over there, but it looks like we might have plenty of opportunities throughout the week. Checking out our tide, we have a moderate tide dropping to low by 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then trying to rise back to moderate. Our local buoy is picking up our sustained east wind swell that we've had for the last week. Possibly still size enough. I might check out churches for the early morning just to get something done. But not expecting too much of waves. Again, it's just a 3-foot east swell. And finally, we'll take a look at our sun. Coronal holes to the south, coronal in the top, little filaments in between, and doesn't look like we have any big explosions. Alright guys, have a great day,